We're here with Hydel's captain and standout player, Ronaldo Barrett. First of all, very experienced player. Speak to me about leading this team and how your experience has helped this Hydel team thus far this season.
Well, I'm great to be the captain of the Hydel team, and I have more experience than the rest, so I'm just here to help them and guide them to the victory.
And in today's game, managing to set aside Penwood very easily, what do you think attributed to your guys' great performance today?
Well, we have some struggles, so we just came here to get as many goals as we can to go into the next match.
Starting off very well this year's Manning Cup, setting aside Kingston College, and coming and dealing with Penwood as though they weren't even there. What are your thoughts on Hydel's start to this year's season?
Well, we have a good start to this season, and I believe that we can win the Manning Cup.
And in today's game, you were an instrumental part, almost touching every single ball, demonstrating your talent on all areas of the park today. Speak to us about your impact generally and in today's game.
Well, my impact was very great today. I got 2 goals, didn't get an assist, but I'm just here I'm good with working with that.
And in the latter part of the game, we saw where you played a beautiful pass over to the wing. The winger didn't convert. What are your thoughts when you played great passes like that and the forward not converting?
Well, I felt good when I made the pass, but my feet were cramped, so I had to stop.
All right, once again, good game again, and we'll see you guys again definitely in the season.
All right, thank you.
Captain of the Hydel High School.